Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will share how to remotely connect PostgreSQL 17.4 database from Oracle SQL Developer. In this video tutorial you will learn how to remotely connect to PostgreSQL 17.4 database using Oracle SQL Developer. Whether you are a developer, DBA or a student, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need, from configuring PostgreSQL for remote access to setting up the connection inside Oracle SQL Developer. I have shared in my description link a script file as a download. You can download this file from link. Just need to follow the step-by-step guideline. So don't be delayed. Just go and follow step-by-step process. Thank you.